Kien Trung Palace, a historical witness in the heart of Hue. After more than 70 years of existence as a ruin, in the spring of the year of Giap Thin 2024, Kien Trung Palace, one of the 5 large architectural works located on the sacred axis in Hue's Forbidden City, and also the workplace and living place of the last 2 kings of the Nguyen Dynasty, has been restored to its majestic and splendid appearance as before to continue telling interesting stories about the Nguyen Dynasty's inner palace and historical events of the country. Kien Trung Palace is not only a large and important architectural work in Hue's Forbidden City, but this place is also associated with many historical marks of the country. This is the workplace and living place of the last 2 kings of the Nguyen Dynasty, King Khai Dinh and King Bao Dai. Kien Trung Palace is also known as the place where King Khai Dinh passed away, November 6, 1925, where Queen Nam Phuong, wife of King Bao Dai, gave birth to Crown Prince Bao Long, January 4, 1936. In particular, this is also the place that witnessed a historic event. That was on August 29, 1945. It was here that King Bao Dai had his first meeting with the delegation of the Provisional Government of the Democratic Republic of Vietnam to discuss his abdication, including discussing the content of the abdication proclamation that King Bao Dai read on the afternoon of August 30, 1945 in front of tens of thousands of people in Hue, putting an end to the thousands of years of feudalism, opening a new era of independence and freedom before the heroic victory of the August Revolution to take power into the hands of the people. Unfortunately, only 24 years later, in 1947, due to the war, this building was completely destroyed, leaving only the foundation. The history of Kien Trung Palace has gone through many stages. Initially, there were 2 buildings at this location: Minh Vien Tower, then Du Cu Tower. Minh Vien Tower was built in 1827 under King Minh Mang. This is a large wooden building, consisting of 3 floors, 15.8 meters high, a place for the king to go up to enjoy the scenery and cool off. During the Chu Tri period, the king had Minh Vien Tower restored and placed on the roof of the tower a night pearl that shines every night. Minh Vien Tower was ranked by King Chu Tri as the first beautiful scene in the Than Kin in He Thap Can, 20 beautiful scenes of Than Kin land. However, this architectural work was dismantled under King Tu Duke. In 1913, King Duy Tan built another new style building on the old foundation of this building and named it Du Cu Tower. This new building has only 2 floors with a relatively simple architecture. After ascending the throne in 1916, King Khai Dinh changed the name of Du Cu Tower to Kien Trung Tower. But later, from 1921 to 1923, the king rebuilt the entire Kien Trung Tower with a style that mixed French architecture, Italian Renaissance architecture and traditional Vietnamese architecture. The entire Kien Trung Palace was built by King Khai Dinh using modern techniques and durable materials such as cement, steel, porcelain, glass, etc. Therefore, this building has many modern appliances such as electric lights, tap water, water fountains, lightning rods, iron doors, etc. After King Khai Dinh passed away, King Bao Dai renovated the palace and installed more Western amenities. Since then, Kien Trung Palace has become the common residence of the entire royal family, including King Bao Dai, Queen Nam Phuong, Prince Bao Long, Princess Phuong Mai, Phuong Lien, Phuong Dung and Prince Bao Thang. After 72 years of existence as a ruin, in 2019, the Hue Monuments Conservation Center started the project to restore, renovate and embellish Kien Trung Palace with a total investment of more than 123 billion Vietnamese dongs. The project was carried out on an area of more than 3.800 square meters. The construction units kept the existing foundation structure intact, limiting intervention in the original elements of the relic. The project includes items such as restoring the main building of Kien Trung Palace with 2 floors, about 14 meters high, construction area of about 975 square meters, reinforce and restore the surrounding wall system, railing system, front and back courtyards, steps. In addition, the project also renovates small surrounding structures such as brick pedestals, fountains, cannons, guardhouses, tree systems, preserves the foundations of Dong Kung Lao, Ngu Tu Fong, Vo Ho Jia Fong and Ngu Fei Fong. After 5 years of restoration and embellishment, Kien Trung Palace relic has been completed and officially put into operation. Introduced to the people and tourists on the occasion of Tet Giap Thin 2024. According to experts, in addition to historical values, Kien Trung Palace also has great architectural and artistic values because it has all the characteristics of an Indo-Chinese style structure. Especially the typical ceramic mosaic art that creates a typical appearance for the Nguyen Dynasty's royal architecture. With its unique architectural and historical values. Since its opening to visitors, Kien Trung Palace has attracted tens of thousands of people and tourists from home and abroad to visit and experience the Nguyen Dynasty's royal cultural space. In the coming time, in addition to the spaces displaying royal antiquities in the inner palace, this will also be a venue for many attractive and unique cultural events to serve the needs of visitors.